from Open Journey. I will be journaling with the Transfiguration kit. Some of these are cardstock, and some of these are white sticker. So this is what I'm gonna use today, right here. And I wonder if you recall a moment of transfiguration in your faith journey. It was probably up a mountain on a strenuous stretch, and when you paused to catch your breath, you saw the glory of God, even if it was just in a whisper, just as we see in 1 Kings 19. So yeah, it's all beautiful. I'll be cutting this. And I will probably continue the sky with paints on the page, just so I don't have a straight edge right there. So I'm going to show you how this, it's very easy, it just comes off like this. So oh, perfect. I just mixed some blues and purples with white, and I blended the image, kind of the edges of the image, so it blends into the background. And I added a few brush strokes of more vibrant blue, so I get a little bit of a pop of color there. And I want to see if I can also mix some browns for the bottom to kind of continue the image onto the background. And I'm really bummed I didn't have the camera on. It's like, it seems like it happens every time. Now I'm gonna mix some browns here for the bottom. So I have this golden sepia color and acrylic, and that seems to be a very good fit here. Maybe just adding just a little bit of green to it might come even closer, but I have to darken it a little bit, add some black. I think it's gonna come pretty close to what I have in the picture. So I just wanted to not have that very straight line. So golden. There we go. It's pretty well blended in at this point. So I have to make sure to move some white into the blue on top. Even though it's hard, the grace is always visible. I want to use a very cool stamp. This is the Wait for the Lord Advent from the Advent kit stamp, and it has some stars, but this handwritten text is really beautiful. I know you might not be able to fully read what it says, but I can tell you. Actually, it says the description. You can still find this in the shop. The stamp is still available. And it says, arrayed in holy splendor from the womb of dawn. This is from Psalm 110, verse 3. And now I know in part, then we shall see face to face. With reference to 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 21. And isn't that beautiful? Look at this card here. Like smaller splatters. I wasn't planning on doing this, but it's cool how it all continues. A deer. So I'm just gonna cut just a little strip of the backing. All right, let's see what we did. Yeah, it's exactly. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it gave you some inspiration on how to use the Transfiguration kit. Let me know if you have any questions, and God bless. Thank you.